The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how mental health counseling providers can access and understand the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit. The NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit includes information on submitting claims and other important facts about the NIHB program. To begin, select the language in which you would like to view the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Select English or French. For the purpose of this tutorial video, let's select English. Selecting the language brings you to the homepage of the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. To view or download the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit, click the Provider button located on the top menu and choose Mental Health Counseling. You are not required to create or log into your NIHB web account because this information is located on the public website. Click the Claim Submission Kits button located in the middle of the page. Here, you will see all available NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kits. Please note that the most current version of the kit is located at the top of the list. Once you click the Claim Submission Kit you would like to view or download, it will open in a new tab. The NIHB Mental Health Counseling Submission Kit contains a wealth of information about the mental health counseling provider enrollment process, general claim submission procedures, how to read the information on your mental health counseling claim statement, and mental health counseling claim codes and messages. Let's start by reviewing how to enroll in the NIHB program, which is outlined in Section 3.1 in the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit. Please note that there are 3 ways to enroll into the NIHB program: by mail, fax, or through your NIHB web account. First, you must complete the Mental Health Counseling Enrollment Package. To obtain the Mental Health Counseling Enrollment Package, you must first navigate back to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Next, click the Provider button located in the top menu and choose Mental Health Counseling. From there, click the Forms button. Here, you will find the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Enrollment Package. Please complete, date, and sign all pages of the enrollment package and submit it to Express Scripts Canada by fax or mail for processing. You can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. Now let's review how you can enroll into the NIHB program through your NIHB web account. The first step is to create an NIHB web account. To do this, return to the home page of the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website by clicking the Express Scripts logo located on the top left-hand side of the page. Next, click the Provider button located in the middle of the web page. Then click Online Enrollment. If you don't have an existing provider number with Express Scripts Canada, choose New NIHB Provider. If you have an existing provider number with Express Scripts Canada, choose Existing NIHB Provider. After you have selected one of the 2 options, simply follow the prompts to enroll and create your NIHB web account. Next, let's review information about general claim submission procedures. First, you will have to navigate back to the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit by clicking the previously opened NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit tab in your internet browser. Please refer to Section 5 in the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit for additional information on the claim submission process. There are 2 ways that you can submit your claim. The first is manually by fax or mail, and the second is through your NIHB web account. Let's review these 2 ways to submit your claim. Please watch the tutorial video, Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission, to learn more. Let's review how to manually submit your claim by fax or mail. The applicable mental health counseling claim form for manual claim submission can be found on the Forms page. To navigate to the Forms page, go to the home page of the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Click the Provider button located in the top menu and choose Mental Health Counseling. From there, click the Forms button. Select the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Prior Approval and Claim form. Once completed, please submit the claim by fax or mail to Express Scripts Canada for review and processing. When completing the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Prior Approval and Claim form, please ensure that you are including the client's most up-to-date address. You can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. Please refer to Section 5.2 in the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit for additional information on the web account claim submission process. Please watch the tutorial video, Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission, to learn more. After you have submitted your claim to Express Scripts Canada manually by fax or mail or through your NIHB web account and they have been processed, a claim statement will be made available to you. You can also view your claims in Claims History, located in your NIHB web account. Please refer to Section 7 in the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit for additional information on your claims statement. You have the option to receive your claim statements by mail or view them online. Please watch the tutorial video, Accessing Statements and Reviewing Information on Statements, to learn more. On your claim statement, you will find various system codes, messages, and explanations. For further information on the system codes, messages, and explanations, please refer to Section 8.1 of the NIHB Mental Health Counseling Claim Submission Kit. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. The contact details for the Non-Insured Health Benefits call center at Express Scripts Canada is found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Link section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.